back end of the school. New school, yeah, beautiful. But anyway, boy, they got some work done. Nobody's working on the back today. It looks like they're all going up front. I'm actually going to go up front here in a sec. But kind of wanted to show everybody that there's a big pile of bricks right here. So I'm pretty sure that these are going to be the ones that are going to be saved for everybody. There looks like a bunch of whole bricks. Oh, they do got something going on. So this is basically where the 5th grade classes were. This floor right here. You can just see some remnants of the south side here. I'm surprised it's even still up, believe it or not. But I don't even know what part that is. It kind of looks like it had been a bathroom area. Not too sure, but man, just look at those bricks just rip out. Actually, no, I think that's kind of like the top of the cafeteria. But that would be a long drop for these guys. You can hear the crunch. Probably get a better view on the other side, but so this is the 5th grade area here where this big excavator is. Oh, there went a big chunk. You heard that. I'm gonna go around to the front, but this is basically where the 5th grade classroom ended, and the stairwell to go down to the playfield is. But you can see remnants here of the south end. Bricks. Put your name in for one. Let me know. I can get you one. I've known of a couple out-of-staters, a New York and a Arizona, that has gotten in touch with me. If you're out of state, ask me, I'll get you one and I'll send it to you. No problem. But yeah, this is it's really hard to tell. It's like they're in the middle of the school. It seems like it'll probably be another week, maybe, before they get to the end. But I'm gonna be up here every day to get more video. But if you're kind of like wondering what's going out there on the field, still just a big mess down here. They cleaned out the play area. A little 4th grader girl yesterday was telling me that she's gonna be in 4th grade this year. She goes, "Oh, all they're doing is putting a new roof on the play area." So, but it looks like they gutted everything out of there. So, but the fields are all torn up. It's just all dirt. So they're gonna be working on this a good chunk of the school year as well. So, looking at the building here, I believe that this is their cafeteria. It's really hard to tell. I don't know if you can see inside. Nah, you can't. But we're gonna go around to the the front side and get some video. But like I said, this is the top floor 5th grade classrooms, and we'll get a lot demolished more tomorrow. So we'll be up here tomorrow, but I'm gonna go up front and do some recording. So another video.